Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option users and accounts. Actually, before you will enter that, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's completely up to you. So just tap on users and accounts and then tap on add account. Choose Google and again make sure that you've got the internet connection. And be patient, of course, because it might take a while. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. Right here, we have to enter the password. So just do it and then tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here we have to decide whether we would like to back up the data. It's up to you. I will just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And in the same section, you can actually remove it. So just enter users and accounts again, tap on your account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will disappear. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to confirm different steps, but no worries, you can do it safely. It's normal. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.